Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you the newest theme from Carwebguru launcher, which is called the Road to theme. So as you can see here, this one is the original Road theme. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get that new theme. Okay, now let's add new page. Just tap the plus button right here. Now I'm gonna tap the page that we have added and I'm gonna swipe my finger up. Now I'm gonna go to Theme Manager. So this is the new Road to theme, and as you can see, they changed the car image. Okay, now let's go ahead and download this theme. So as you can see here, the price is 2.59 Canadian dollars. You can download this for free as well, but you can only unlock the theme by watching some ads. Now let's get this theme. I do have a code, so I can buy this for free. I still have 5 more codes, so if you guys want to check this out and get this new Road to theme, I'm giving away 5 promo codes. Just like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below why you like this Road to theme. So now I'm just gonna paste my code and tap redeem. So as you can see here, it's now free. Now let's tap add item. So now it's downloaded. This theme or launcher can now support split screen. So you can use either vertical or horizontal if you want to. Now let's apply the theme. So I'm just gonna tap set theme. Let's replace this current theme by tapping OK. So here's the new Road to theme looks like. It's simple but very nice looking. And if you guys noticed, they replaced the car image. So here's the new Road to theme. To download this theme, you have to update your Carwebguru launcher to version 3.1.3. So this theme now comes with a weather widget. Your media playback time is here, your speed, and your time and date. You can also change the car image right here if you want to. You can also change the apps right here. Just long tap and then change action. Select the app whatever you want. To change another app, just long tap and then select change action and pick the application you want. So that's how to add an application. If you made a mistake and you choose the wrong application, just long tap again the application that you have added and then select change action. Now choose the app you want. I added Spotify so I can easily access my favorite songs. You also have your music controls here, voice command, help menu, your apps, and the Carwebguru options. So as you can see in the screen, there's a music visualization. In order that to work, you have to play some music. So I just opened my Spotify app right here and play some music. So I'm gonna be playing non-copyrighted song. So here's the music visualization that is working on the background. So on version 3.1.3, you can turn that off even if you're playing some music. Just go to options and tap multimedia and then turn off enable music visualizer. So if you turn that off, you won't be able to see the music visualizer. But I like to turn that on because I like the animation in the background. So I'm just gonna switch this back on. So here's your music controls. So I'm just gonna pause the music first. So let's try the radio. Some of the users of Carwebguru launcher, they said the radio is not playing in the background. Try to remove the microphone permission for Carwebguru in system settings. So mine is working fine and I don't have any problem playing radio in the background. So on the screen, you can only see limited apps. If you want to check all your apps, just press this icon. Now from here, it will show all your application. Okay, now let's see what this theme looks like while we're driving. Now I'm gonna drive my car and check on the screen. So if you notice, the headlight is on, the road is moving or it's animated, it's real time, and for me, that's very cool. So I'm gonna stop right here. I just showed you how the theme looks like while driving. So if your Android head unit has the capability to split your screen, this Carwebguru launcher can now support split screen. So I'm just going to move the launcher at the right side of the screen. Now choose any app on the left side of your screen. I'm going to choose Spotify app so I can still play some music. You can also choose other apps like Maps, Waze. So it's all up to you what apps you want on the other half of your screen. Even if you're on a split screen mode, you can still access or do whatever you want on the Carwebguru launcher. You can open your app drawer to show all your apps. You can still control your music buttons on the Carwebguru launcher or on your Spotify app. Now, if you want to go back and make your Carwebguru launcher on a full screen mode, all you have to do is drag the middle line of the screen to the left. So now you're back on the full screen mode. So now let's try to change the car image. I already have an image of my own car. So if you want to know how to change this car to your own car image, just watch my video tutorial on a separate video. Just click the link on the description below and let me know how it goes. So now I'm just gonna get or copy my car image. So this one here and this one. So there's two files. One image when it's moving and one image when it's stopped. So I'm just gonna copy this file and paste to CFG under Carwebguru folder. So the images are there already. So I'm just gonna go back to my home screen. So if you notice, the car image is not yet changed. You have to reopen or restart your Carwebguru launcher to take effect. So I'm gonna try to reopen the Carwebguru launcher, or maybe just close it for now. So let's try to reopen the launcher again. So there you go. The default car image has been changed to my own car image. Now, if you want to change the design of the theme, you can do that as well. If you want to remove all this stuff right here, you can do that. So just swipe your finger up and choose the delete icon, then tap the widget to remove. So there, the apps or widgets are gone. You can also add or edit some widgets. Just long tap the widget to go to edit mode or constructor mode. You can move the widget or make it bigger. So I'm just gonna make the widget on the center. So once you're done, just tap the check button. Now swipe your finger up to add the widget. Tap the widget that you have created. Now select the widget you want to add. Let's tap the multi-widget. Oops, not that one. So I'm just gonna go back. So let's tap for multi-widgets. Let's select navigation. So to activate the navigation, you have to build a route first on your Google Maps. So let's go ahead and open the Google Maps. Okay, so make an active route. Okay, so let's start navigating by pressing the start button.
Head northwest.
Now let's go back to the home screen. So as you can see here, our navigation is active. It's now showing an arrow or a direction. You can also change the widgets on tap. I want to make the middle widget to show my current speed. So I'm gonna go to speed and tap the speed current. So now it's changed to digital speedometer. So there you go, guys. So you can actually edit this theme as much as you want to. If you guys like this theme, I'm giving away promo codes to 5 lucky subscribers. So again, just like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below why you like this Carwebguru Road 2 theme. So I will be giving the promo codes 5 days after I upload this video. So there you go, guys. If you like more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.